Today I'll be replacing the stock seat on my Honda Shadow Spirit with a custom Mustang seat for my bike. I've owned the bike for almost a year now, and though I love the look of the seat, I've been doing a lot of big miles on this thing, and I figured a seat is probably my best upgrade. In addition to that, the passenger seat kind of tapers off, which looks cool, but it isn't exactly ideal for passenger comfort. So, to get the seat off, we're going to need to remove three things: a hex screw on the right side, a 10mm on the back, and another hex screw on the left side, and that's it. Once all of these are removed, you can simply slide the seat back and it's off. Installing the Mustang seat is a bit interesting. It's a two-piece setup with the passenger seat sliding into the frame of the rider's seat. It's a tight fit, so don't be alarmed if things don't line up perfectly on your first go. You might also need someone to sit on the bike itself to get the screw holes aligned. Once that's done, you'll notice that the seats themselves are quite massive, and I wouldn't call this plush, but it's firm in a good way and quality is top-notch. It's got a slight tilt to it, so you're sort of sitting a few degrees angled, kind of cupped in, so you'll notice the ergo change immediately. And it does also increase the seat height, so if you're a shorter rider wanting to flat-foot the bike, keep that in mind. That said, there's an exceptional difference to the passenger seat with regards to comfort and dimensions. It's not tapered off at all like the stock seat. Instead, a plush and pleasant place to sit, offering a 12-inch wide cushion to sit on. I'm sure you can tell just visually that the rider's seat is much wider, coming in at 17 inches wide with a 5.5-inch lumbar lip built into the design. This makes a huge difference when riding, period, but especially when going on long road trips. So, what do I think about the seats now that I have it set up? They're freaking awesome! Now, I will say that the seats ain't cheap. I paid around $650-ish for these, but was it worth the investment? I think so. So if you're considering picking one of these up for your Honda Shadow or are curious about anything seen here, feel free to comment below. I hope this helps folks trying to make a decision, and please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Cheers, and until next time.